In this video, we'll learn an easy method to update Cisco FMC firmware. Check your current version and release notes. Download the correct upgrade package from Cisco. Backup download from FMC. Upload, run readiness check, install, and reboot. Check all configuration is functional. Go to System then Update. Then you can show the current firmware version. Log in Cisco download portal for download latest or recommend version. Select your FMC model and download path. First, select the firmware version you want to install. Select the firmware version, then download rel.tar file. If you are already logged in, the login pop-up will not appear. You need to log into the portal to download the firmware. After logging in, please accept the Cisco general terms and conditions to start the download. Process may take approximately 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the internet speed. In FMC, Firepower Management Center, go to System, Tools and Backup/Restore. Then, under Backup Profile, you can create a new profile for backup and download purposes. After downloading the backup to your local machine, check if there are any pending deployments. If any deployment is pending, you must deploy the changes before proceeding further. Then, go to System Updates in FMC to upload the newly downloaded firmware from the Cisco download portal. Click Upload Update, then select the action Upload Local Software Update Package, and browse to the downloaded firmware package to upload it. Select the FMC firmware file from your local machine and click Open to begin the upload process. The upload process may take around 10 minutes, depending on the system performance. When a success message appears in a green box, it indicates that the upload is complete. You can then see the new firmware listed under the Available Updates tab. Select the new firmware from the Available Updates tab and click Install to begin the installation process. Then, select the FMC and perform the readiness check. This check verifies FMC resources, disk space, and other compatibility requirements before proceeding with the firmware installation. Readiness check process may take approximately 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the system performance. During the process, you can monitor the progress under System Tasks. When the readiness check completes successfully, a success confirmation will be displayed. Once the readiness check is completed, proceed to install the firmware. FMC will automatically reboot after the upgrade. During this process, do not manually reboot or shut down the FMC. When the FMC reboots, there will be no interruption to network traffic because the FTDs will continue to operate normally. Only the management functions will be unavailable during the update process. FMC firmware update is running. It takes about 30 to 50 minutes depending on the system. You can check and monitor the progress in the Tasks tab under System Settings. Pause HA synchronization, if applicable. If you have an FMC high availability, pair, pause synchronization before starting the upgrade. You will upgrade the standby unit first. Monitor the upgrade progress via the Message Center. Log back in after the process completes and the FMC has rebooted. Upgrading process will take approximately 1 hour or more, depending on the system. If you encounter any errors during the process, please open a support ticket with Cisco. When the upgrading process is complete, you should see the 100% upgrade status. Once the upgrade is complete, the system will reboot automatically. While the system is rebooting, you should monitor the ping response and document any status changes. After the reboot, the device will need 10 to 15 minutes to become fully functional. Please wait until the system is operational. After the reboot, check all configurations, deployments, and other operational functionality for safety purposes. We have successfully completed the upgrade process. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Cisco content.